Hey guys, Candida here, and I was sent this Kiss Kiss small trash can in exchange for my honest review. This trash can has a little hook, and so it's easy to pick it up and move it all around. With this trash can here, you can see it's got the little foot pedal here. We can push it and it opens. Notice it's got the slow closing lid. It closes quietly. As a mom, I personally like that. I don't want to hear any slamming going on. Here is the small insert for the trash can, and it comes with 3 rolls of trash bags. So this is super handy to have. It's got our user manual, and it's got our odor absorbing piece as well. Here, all we're gonna do is open it up. We have our odor absorber here, and it just simply goes right here. So we can push that in place, and that's gonna help keep the odors. This is a narrow trash can, and so it's great to fit by the toilet. It's great anywhere that you need a trash can. I do like its slim design. This trash can is also splash resistant, so if water hits it from the shower or the sink, no need to worry, it's just gonna bounce off. Here you can see how it fits next to the toilet here, and it's super easy to reach. Here, if I want it closer to the sink, I can sit it underneath this little sitting area here, and it fits perfectly under the cabinets. It's also nice and compact and can fit right by a desk in a bedroom, so it's got plenty of uses wherever a trash can needs to go. Overall, it's been a great addition, and I hope you found the review helpful.